Traders lose money because they scalp blindly. But when you understand trend direction, entries become easy and your win rates jump instantly. So today I will show you a simple trend trading scalping strategy that works on any crypto charts, fast, clean and beginner friends. So welcome back to the channel's today lesson, guys. Today we are breaking down the scalping strategy based purely on trends, using structure, momentum and market direction to pick sniper entry. I'm not using support and resistance today and any indicator, just pure trend line strategy. The first thing I want to teach you today is to one, identify the trend. That means the market direction, the uptrends and then the downtrends. So, firstly, what is the uptrends? Uptrends are the bullish trading. So those are the ones that always go up like this. Why the downtrends are this one? So firstly, how will you identify most of this? To identify uptrend for scalping, you see I'm using 15 minutes time frame here. I'm using 15 minutes time frame here. So for scalping, I will advise you guys to use 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame, anyone you like, you can use it. So firstly, you have to identify your higher highs and then your higher lows. Starting from here, let's say we have higher lows here, say higher high here. But how will you identify when to buy a trade? Because if you are scalping against the trend, your losses always increase. You have to stay loyal with the direction. Whenever you see a movement, you see we have two things here. We have uptrend here, and then here we have downtrend. But one thing is that I've teach you guys how to draw the trend line already. I've teach you how to draw the trend line already. So you can come here, bring your trend lines. For the uptrend, you will start from the lower. Sorry, I'm the one doing something. From the uptrend, you have to start from the lower lows back to the lower highs. Now this is the highest, this is the low. So how will you identify when to close the trade? At this point, if you see from here, you see the crypto or the chart itself is not looking nice. But for you to buy when the crypto is coming down, you have to wait for two things. Firstly, you have to wait for bullish candle line. The first one, it might be bullish engulfing, it might be body, it might be body alone. So just wait till you see bullish candle before you go for any trading at that moment. The second one is mark trend lines. You have to mark the uptrends and the downward and the downtrend. But for uptrend, you have to connect these lows and higher together. And then when it's broken the trend lines, you have to close the trade and know something is going on in the market at that moment, or the trend is about to change. For the downtrends, you have to mark from tops, which is lower highs to down. Sorry. To down. Mark the direction. And one thing is that once the candle broke the trend line, that means there is another direction in the market. You have to close the trade at that moment. So the three is for wait for price reaction at the trend lines. So don't just buy or sell in the middle of the chart. Always wait for price to touch the trend line or the candle to slow down or weak rejection showing market rejection. At this point, see, if you are trading these pop cards, you see this is weak rejection because there is no good direction to buy here or to short. At this moment, you have to wait patiently because the iron resistance is already 0.2. You see at this point what happened at one point at the 0.102 the market went up, and then there is no probability that when the market hits here it will go up again or it will come down. The only thing is that when the market hits here you have to wait. If it bounce up, wait for the next candle. It will be bullish candle, you will go for the trend, you will go for the uptrend. So that is it. The number four I will give you is candle confirmation entry. Using the 5 or 15 minutes time frame to trigger this, you have to buy confirmation is when trend is up. So when trend is going up, that is the buy confirmation. And then price pull back to trend lines. So that is, and then you have to always wait for bullish candle forms like a engulfing or hammer or strong body. That's one is the buy confirmation. For sell confirmation, wait for trends to come down. You see at this point trend is up, but at this point you see the first 15 minutes, second 15 minutes, third 15 minutes rolling, the trend has been changing. So that is for sell confirmation. Price have to retest the trend lines and then bearish candle forms. We have first, second, third bearish candle. So that is this is the sell confirmation. So that is just, let me give you the extra confidence booster because you can use only these trend lines, but for more accuracy, you can use 200 exponent moving average for trend direction. You can use MACD moving average convergence divergence for momentum strength, and then you can use related straight index for avoid overbought or oversold trap. For both trends and candle confirmation is only enough for scalping trader. So if you want me to create full trading course about trend, support and resistance and scalping strategy, drop a comment below. And if this tutorial help you, hit the like button, subscribe and share with another trader. So my name is Latif Sadiq. See you in the next tutorial. Enjoy.